Assalamu alaikum. Chanoya ke mein ek nasha hai.
Hello guys, hope
Hello.
everyone is good. Here's my friend, he's from China, his name is James, and today I'm just talking with him something like about you can say about Pakistan. Just a simple, because he's from China, so he never been to Pakistan.
Yeah.
But I will ask some simple question to him. James, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Thank you for having me.
Okay, just let me know what you know anything about Pakistan to the people, whatever.
I think Pakistan, like majority of the people there are Muslim. That's all I know. And then they eat curry. They have like culture maybe similar to India. Yeah, that's all I know about Pakistan.
Okay, you know Pakistan and China they have a similar border.
Yes, and we maintain a very good relationship, right?
Yes, true. So James knows little bit but good things about Pakistan, because whatever he answered me is really exactly what he tried to tell us. And second thing, would you like to go to Pakistan?
Yeah, absolutely. I would love to go to Pakistan.
What are you gonna do there?
Well, I will, enjoy the culture, make friends, and so also enjoy the local food.
Okay, so what's your favorite destination for holidays, like across the world?
Across the world, I don't have a very, a goal in my mind, but if I would like to go maybe Africa, North America, yeah.
Okay, now again come back to the country. Okay, so do you know any song or any word, Pakistani word you can speak? Are you gonna follow me?
Yeah, I want to follow you.
Okay, first of all, you have to say Assalamu alaikum.
Can I just speak slowly?
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu
Assalamu
alaikum.
alaikum. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum everyone.
Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum.
Okay, आप लोग ठीक हो?
आप लोग ठीक हो?
Your accent is really very nice.
Really?
Yes.
Thank you very much.
मैं सिडनी रहता हूँ. मैं सिडनी
Sydney
रहता हूँ.
रहता हूँ.
मुझे पाकिस्तान पसंद है.
Tomato.
It's an oath.
Okay.
मुझे पाकिस्तान
Pakistan
पसंद है.
पसंद है.
Okay, so next, you know any song?
Unfortunately, no.
Okay. छन्नों की आँख में
Chanoya ke mein
एक नशा है.
ek nasha hai.
छन्नों की आँख में
Chanukiya ke mein
एक नशा है.
ek nasha hai.
आप सबको अच्छा लगा?
आप लोग
Say आपको अच्छा लगा, you like it?
आप लोग अच्छा लगा?
Say if आपको अच्छा लगा, tell me. अगर अच्छा लगा, tell me.
आप लोग अच्छा लगा? Tell me.
Okay, where you get this beautiful cloth?
I get it from my beautiful friend. Come on. You want to show your face?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, there you go.
He's our friend from Bangladesh, Tawheed
Yes.
Islam, but I will talk him separately as well. So, okay, James, last question for you. You know who's the Prime Minister of Pakistan?
Imuraham.
Oh, you know the ex-player, yeah?
Yeah, of course. I know everything about Pakistan.
Oh, that's great. Who's the army chief of Pakistan?
General Baja.
Oh, you know General Bajwa.
Yes.
You know about him?
Yeah, of course.
That's really nice. दोस्तों इसको हर चीज़ का पता है, मुझे नहीं पता इसने कहाँ से सीखा है, लेकिन हम जो है ना वो इससे आखिरी क्वेश्चन एक और करते हैं. Okay, you know who's the Nawaz Sharif?
Chua.
Chor?
Yeah.
Who told you he's chor? No, he's really.
Yeah.
You know everything.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
दोस्तों इसने कहा कि नवाज शरीफ चोर है. मैंने इसे कुछ नहीं बताया, पता नहीं इसने कहाँ से सीखा है. उम्मीद करते हैं हमारे इस चाइनीज दोस्त की आपको बातें अच्छी लगी होंगी, और इनसे इजाजत दीजिए. अल्लाह हाफिज.